afternoon, everyone. Wow, I had a really nice visit. I love it when I get to meet my subscribers. I mean, it is so great to get to talk to the person face to face. It's just so pleasant. And she was so nice. She even brought me a bottle of vitamin C, which I could really use. But it's just, to me, it's such a joy to be able to get to know these people personally instead of like this, She's on her way to San Antonio, and just to stop by, that is awesome. That is really awesome. Such a surprise. This is 3 in a week. Wow. Y'all come now. All right. Gosh, this wind has been relentless today. It has not stopped. I have been basically inside all day long because it's just too windy outside, and I don't want to get sick or sicker. I'm trying to take care of this, make sure that it doesn't get worse. Now I'm going to have to go out in a little while and wash out my pan, which I used, and I need to wash it out. But other than that, next step will be go to bed. I had to order a solar charger control. One of the things that's happening to my solar charger is it is getting so hot. I mean, like really hot. I think that's one of the problems that I'm having. I try to figure out, was it the battery? Was it the inverter? Or was it the solar charger? Inverter is working good. Right now, the solar charger is working. But like I said, it's extremely hot, which I will turn it off later on before I go to bed. Yeah, I don't want to wake up and smell smoke. But, so tomorrow I'm supposed to be getting that solar charger. The grocery store here let me have them deliver it there, so that I appreciate. And, anyway, I'm hoping that that's all the problem that I do have, and that'll take care of the issue. Because the inverter just did not want to stay on. It kept blinking on and off, and I noticed that my charger kept getting hotter and hotter and hotter. So, I'm hoping this is the solution, and it's a cheap solution compared to what I thought it might be. I don't need to spend money period. Right now I need to save, not spend. So somebody asked me, am I still needing help? Well, yeah, but really you don't have to. I mean, I appreciate it, but I'm going to work through this one way or another. As soon as I have enough that I think I can buy something, then I'm going to start looking, because there's no point in looking now when I don't have the money, because normally that's when you find everything you want and everything you need at the right price, when you don't have the money. Duh! Never fails. But I will be looking for it once I feel I have enough to be able to buy something. Hopefully I'll be able to stay here till then. I don't know. I hear next year they're going to change the rules. I don't know. I don't know. So, anyway, aside from the wind never stopping, and it's supposed to be colder tonight, everything's beautiful. And it's alright. Ooh, I like that song too. Anyway, I love you guys. Take care. Don't forget, love thyself. Love one another. Hugs. Peace.